Yeah, by the way, within the usually the agenda for this community meeting is like for newcomers, we usually let them do a brief self-introduction, and then we can go through like since you want to discuss like one by one, like you can ask any questions or discuss bring up some comments to the current PRs, etc. Yeah. So
Uh,
yeah,
okay.
hey, uh,
So, introduce myself now or later or
yeah, you can introduce your
uh yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Hi everyone. My name is Hui Bin. I will join Google soon doing inference optimization. So this is my the first time I come. So just want to see how this is organized. Then later I can have I can have some comments in later meeting. Thank
Okay,
you. Yeah.
nice, nice.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Welcome. Yeah, nice to meet you. And may I ask who this iPhone is? It's fine if you cannot talk. No pressure. Okay. Never mind. We can wait for say 1 minute before we get started. And yeah, meanwhile, like if you have anything you wanna discuss, like feel free to put down in the discussion items. Hey, Braulio.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
Hey. Okay, I guess we can get started. So, this week, from our side, we mainly have this KV cache aware routing implemented, and basically what this PR does is, we imported like a KV cache manager from Allen Cache, and what this does is like it basically tracks any new KV cache on each of the instances. And if there are eviction happening, then it will also keep track of that. And so basically, I put down this like KV of a router class in the lo routing logic file. And what it does is it basically since like Allen Cache KV cache manager requires tokens in and like the location of the KV cache out. And so first, since like this OpenAI API request is taking in uh, like strings as input, so first we need to do a tokenization here. And so right now this is definitely not the most efficient way, but like we can improve that later. And by the way, like if anyone want to optimize this, feel free to bring up new issues or IPR for this. And then like given the tokens tokenized by this like endpoint, the tokenized endpoint, I just send a lookup message to the KV cache manager. And then like right now the return message from the KV cache manager is just one instance ID. And that instance ID is like the location where the KV cache resides in. And right now it only returns the first like instance that contains the KV cache. But yeah, so our team members like Jai is also going to improve that interface to return a list of instance IDs that contains like the locations of the KV cache. And so in the future, we can also combine like a load aware routing together with KV cache aware routing. Yeah, so if we have the list of instances that contains the KV cache. Yeah, so that's basically for this KV cache aware routing. And yeah, I put some simple, very simple examples, but I haven't get a chance to write the tutorial for it. And so I can put up a tutorial later this week and also have a demo video about it. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's basically for this KV cache aware routing. And on my side, I'm also going to have an implementation of the sorry, PD disaggregation um, uh, based on vLLM v1, and that will be ready this week. Yeah, so that's basically on my side. Yeah, any questions or comments to this?
Yeah, I have a question about your PDDs.
Yeah.
What was it? PD
PD disaggregation. Yeah.
disaggregation. So it's
Yeah.
about pre-filling and decoding, decoder or discro. Yeah, I see what it is.
Yeah. 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 So basically, like right now, this kind of optimization is really popular right now. Like basically, it can like put it basically will schedule prefill phases and decode phases on different machines. And it's good for tail latency. Yeah,
Mm.
we actually on cache already supported, but there requires some implementation in the production stack router to enable that.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
Yeah.
So what's the current progress of PD disaggregation? Is that XY, XPYD or uh, is it
You
supported?
mean in VLM or
Yeah,
in
yeah, VLM.
yeah, I think if I remember correctly, XPID support is already there, like it's already ready to use in V1. Uh, yeah, XP what?
Okay. And you mentioned the LM cache already implement this, so you kind
Mhm.
of both production stack and LM cache can support it independently, or is that what's it like? Or
By independent, you mean like the like production stack and cache independently, or like
yeah, I
independent to
mean,
VLM?
can I like install production stack without LM cache and support this PD disaggregation? Is that what you are targeting for or not?
No, actually,
Oh,
like we still like depends on like if you want PD disaggregation in production stack, we need to call like cache.
I see.
Oh, actually, like we use like cache Docker image.
Oh,
So yeah, and in production stack, we only need to implement like a different router class in the
mm-hmm,
routing logic file.
mm-hmm,
Yeah, so it's similar to what I will add. I added here, like this KV aware router. I can add like for example, a PD disaggregation router.
mm-hmm,
And what this router is going to do is basically just first send the request to the prefiller instance, and after the prefill instance get the first token out, then send the same request to the decoder instance. But on the decoder instance, it will just fetch the KV from the prefiller instance to skip the prefill phase. And this kind of KV fetching is enabled by cache, if that
sounds
makes
good.
sense.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Any other questions on this things?
One more question from me.
Hmm.
Is there any good golden ratio between prefill worker, number of prefill workers and decoders? Like
Uh,
1 to
yeah, this is
10? 2 to... Mm.
yeah, this is a really good question, and I believe we don't have a good answer for that right now. And actually, we are like some team members in our hash team is actively working on modeling this kind of prefill like the latency that can be reached by different P and D instances. And yeah, so I'm not sure if they have a concrete answer yet, but yeah, this is something like we are actively like trying to answer. Yeah.
I see. Recently, I happened to look into Dynamo, Dynamo examples, and I could check that there were
Mm.
four prefill workers and
Okay.
40 decoders. So um, in
40
my idea,
decoders.
it's like, yeah, yeah, four to 40. Yeah. I
I
mean,
see, I see, I
four
see.
prefill and 40 decoders. So yeah, so I don't know whether they found the golden ratio already, but yeah, so I wonder you already found some other good ratio between them
But
or
this depends on like your model. If, for example, if it's a reasoning model, maybe you need
Yeah,
more decoder, things like that. It shouldn't be a
exactly.
fixed ratio, right?
Yeah.
I see. So it depends on models.
Yeah, depend
It
on
can change.
models and the workloads. Like by workload, I mean like the data set. For example, if is it like doing reasoning task or just a short QA. If it's short QA, then like I guess like maybe we only need like two
Uh,
decoders, something like that. Yeah.
I see. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. If there are no more questions on these two threads, Yinsu, do you want to talk about this?
Yeah, mine is very simple because I recently uh, provided a VM and trying to set up my Minikube on the VM, and I ran into some problem trying to install Minikube because there was already installed Minikube with older version. So as Shouting Fan pointed out, removing its binary can solve the problem. So I did it as well, and but also I added about the documentation uh, that you should remove your previous Minikube installation to make it work for the script work without any problem. Yeah, so I added very simple PR, and yeah, I hope that it can reduce the troubleshooting from the beginners. Yeah, it's very simple PR, and if you have time, just you can approve it, or I can.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think I already approved it, if I
Oh, I see.
remember
Thank you.
correctly.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I already merged it. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Thank you. I didn't know that you already checked about it. So
Uh, yeah, so here, just yeah, this one is merged. Yeah.
I see. So I'm wondering what I can contribute for my next step. So
Mm.
if you guys need any help or need hands, then maybe I can get a look on it and
Yeah,
progress it.
yeah, there are a lot of things like you can help with. Like so the most like up to date to-do list or roadmap is here in this issue. And so I believe like those ones that haven't been checked are something like we want to do but didn't get the chance to do. So
I
yeah,
see.
feel free to pick any one of those. Yeah, and we can talk offline also, like if you want to double check if that's being done by anyone else. Yeah.
Oh, like it. Okay.
Yeah, so
So
one very so this item like single vLLM instance multi-node setup is something we haven't done that but like it's a very important feature if you want to take if you have experience setting it up and you are interested in that also feel free to take that too. Yeah.
Okay, sure. I try to browse those issues and
Hmm.
see what I can do. And I'm question about those the one you mentioned earlier, just like pipeline parallelism. Is it
Mm.
about using Ray, right?
Uh,
Does it use
yeah,
Ray
so
to mm.
wait, you mean this single VLM multi-node setup? This one?
Yeah, because
Yeah,
to distribute
yeah,
model weights, uh, I think you should use Ray or some
yeah,
other mechanism to like make it multi-processing, right?
yeah. And so I I guess Kubre may
Yeah, yeah,
help
Kubernetes.
here. Yeah. So
Yeah. Okay, I try to find out what I can do first, and
okay.
yeah, actually, I was hoping to find some related issue about related to Kubernetes stuff, so which
Mm.
I can contribute fairly much faster. So
Oh,
yeah, but if you
I
need
see, I see.
yeah other help, then I can try to look too. So
Okay, so for Kubernetes related things, right now, let me see.
yeah, I see some
So
gateway
yeah,
APIs or something.
yeah, Gateway API. So that one, I think I'll going to have a very simple first version this week.
Mhm. I see.
Um, yeah, but like definitely it's not going to be the end of the Gateway API integration. So maybe we could have a schedule offline call to discuss it in detail if you have experience in Gateway API.
Recently, about is with using Istio, so yeah, but I'm open to any issues, so yeah, I'm not trying
Okay.
to do.
So yeah. So I guess you can take a look of all the issues and yeah, let me know if you are interested in a specific one. And yeah, we can talk.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
okay, okay. Any other things from the audience you want would like to be covered? Okay, if not, I think we can end it early. And yeah, so next week it will still be 6 p.m. PT on Tuesday, next Tuesday. Yeah. And by the way, there will be Alan Cash community meeting in 10 minutes, right after this meeting today. Yeah. So if you want to know more about Alan Cash, feel free to join that too. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Sounds good. Thank you
Thank
everyone
you.
for coming.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, see you.
See you. See you soon.